Hello my dear friends, I hope that all of you are safe and sound wherever you are and most importantly healthy. Guys, pandemic time has been a time like no other in recent years. Most of us have to face some kind of financial setback either in the form of job loss, either in the form of reduced salary, either in the form of working hours or and almost all of us are working from home, correct? Guys, the challenges that we are facing are at a different level altogether if you have a kid also, because raising a kid is a task in itself. There are numerous expenses that you need to account for when you have a kid with you, correct? These expenses do not reduce at any point in time. In fact, with each passing day, some or the other expense keeps on getting added to it. But because of COVID, life has become very stressful financially, personally, professionally, in each and every way. So guys, in order to tackle this, the CRA has come up with a benefit for eligible families who are having kids under the age of 6. They will be getting $1,200. Yes, my dear friends, $1,200. So guys, I would request you all to please stick around till the very end and watch this video in detail in order to be better aware of what this benefit is and how you will be getting this benefit. So guys, without further ado, let's just jump into the topic. Guys, I usually tell this at the end of the video, but I have been noticing that not many people are subscribing to my channel. So I would request you all to please, all of you who are watching this video right now, subscribe at the moment, right now, please, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos. Guys, we have to reach to the 100,000 subscriber mark, and I want the silver play, golden play, platinum play, diamond play, all buttons behind me from YouTube. So please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and motivate us. Now to the video. So my dear friends, before we jump into the $1,200 and what you need to do to get it and other details associated with it, let me first tell you about what CCB is. So for those of my friends who are not aware of CCB at all, I would request you all to please watch a video on CCB that I've made, the link of which is given in the description below, or it will be available somewhere on the top here. And also my dear friends, I have made an exclusive video in which I have done some research and found out whether CCB is enough for your kids' higher education through RESP. I would request you all to please watch that video in detail as it contains a lot of calculation and a lot of research from our side. I hope that you all find it very useful, so please watch that out as well. The link of which again is given in the description below, or it will be available on the top here. So now let's talk about figures. So guys, CCB is a monthly tax-free payment which is given by the CRA and Government of Canada to eligible families in order to better raise their kids. So talking about figures, a family having a kid under the age of 6 can expect $6,765 maximum for the year 2020-2021. This has been slightly increased to $6,833 for 2021-2022. And if your family has a kid above the age of 6 but below 17 years, then you can expect maximum of $5,708 for 2020-2021, and it has been slightly increased to $5,765 for 2021 and 2022. So my dear friends, these are annual payments. If you divide it by 12, you can come to know about the monthly amounts. Now coming to the most awaited part, the $1,200. So guys, the government has come up with a temporary CCB of $1,200, which will be given in 4 installments of $300 each. So $300 per quarter you will be receiving for the entire 2021. So total comes up to $1,200. So guys, eligibility criteria remains the same as for normal CCB, which means the kid must be in your care. You must be primarily responsible for the care of your kid. The day the kid is born to you or the day the kid is in your custody and comes to stay with you, and a couple of other criteria which you will be finding on my video as well. And all those criteria remains in place in order to be eligible for normal CCB. Those criteria need to be true for getting the $1,200 as well. In addition to that, if your AFNI, which is Adjusted Family Net Income, if it is less than $120,000 annually, you are eligible for this $1,200. However, if your Adjusted Family Net Income is above $120,000, your $1,200 would get deducted to $600, which would be payable again in 4 installments, $150 per quarter, which comes up to $600. So in this case, your AFNI of $1,20,000 is the major determining criteria. So if you and your spouse collectively have a net income of less than $120,000, congratulations, 1200 is yours. So guys, CCB, as I've mentioned many a times in many of my videos, that is probably the best benefit according to me given by the government of Canada to all the families having kids. Guys, CCB is a blessing in disguise because cost of raising a kid is very high. There are multiple expenses which keeps on adding day by day, and you get something in return just for having your kid, correct? So that you can better take care of your kid. CCB amount may be less for some families depending on their income, but at least I would say it is not zero. So the government is showing their support and care for your kid by giving you at least some money, and I personally feel at least something is better than nothing at all. So guys, with this I end this particular video. I hope that you all eligible families get your $1,200 very soon, and do let me know in the comments when you receive it. Guys, with this I end this particular video. I hope you all like the contents of it, and if you really do, please do like, comment and subscribe. Don't hesitate to share this video with your family, friends and relatives who have kids and who are not aware that these are the changes coming to the CCB. Please make sure to inform them as well. And guys, just one last request, that there are many people who are not subscribing to the channel after viewing our videos. So I would request you all to please subscribe to our channel and let us reach to that 100,000 subscribers mark. God bless. Take care. Much love.